Hi everyone, I'm Amy Jo Mitchell and I'm the stylist at Evora's Women's Health, and today we're with Dr. Lynn to go through a closet edit for her. So Dr. Lynn, tell me about what you do on a regular basis. Do you dress up for work? Are you more casual? What does your everyday look like?
I definitely dress up for work. I don't wear scrubs to work anymore. I used to when I delivered babies, but not anymore. So I like to wear dresses because they're forgiving around the middle and they're comfortable. I like a little heel. I definitely love fashion. So I'm really excited for you to look at my closet and help me take some of the pieces that I have and create new outfits.
Okay, great.
Because I tend to wear like the same thing over and over again. Like this shirt goes, with these pants, and I know I have more really interesting things in there. So I'm really excited for you to use your fashion magic.
Absolutely. This will
be
be fun.
Some new styles for me.
I'm so excited. So so what we'll do is we'll go piece by piece. We'll talk about why we're going to keep it or maybe why we're going to let go. And then we'll make piles. We'll make a pile for donations and a pile for alterations, a pile for dry cleaning, and a pile for potential selling if you have any pieces you want to take to the resale shops nearby. Okay, so let's get started. This is a darling jacket. Do you wear this pretty regularly?
No. So that jacket is from the 1980s.
I love it.
It's like an old, I don't know if you remember Benetton and Sicily. So I got it in the 1980s. I've never gotten rid of it. And it was like in some closet that I found it the other day and I pulled it out and I wore it.
It is fabulous.
It's timeless.
It is really, truly timeless. So I would definitely want to say that's a keeper. And then let's make a category for that section too. So this is more of a blazer and it's on a pant hanger.
Right.
So we need to get this updated.
Right.
I also recommend getting all new hangers. I recommend the huggable hangers because clothes won't fall off, they won't get stretched out, and they're very thin so you can fit a lot in there. So yeah, this is a nice cute blazer.
So this I bought just as a separate piece and I've never been able to put together an outfit that makes it work.
Okay, so let's make a pile of things that you want to style, that you want new ideas for. So we'll put those over there. Put this down. And we'll get to that in a little bit. Okay, this is a super cute little motor jacket. How about this one?
Love it, wear it all the time.
Okay, wonderful. Excellent.
Wear it all the time.
Here is
another
super cute jacket.
Like little summery.
So this is more summery, so we're going to put it in a different category, and it's white. Let's see, what's this one? And again, this feels like it's on a pant hanger. Get that updated.
I have bad hanger etiquette.
That's okay. No, I know. And until you really update all your hangers at once, it's hard to keep them all consistent. This is super cute too. So this is more athletic wear.
Yeah, I wear that running.
Put it down towards the running section over in the front. Okay. Here, maybe another one.
Another cycling jacket and running.
Yeah, okay, so that goes over here. And then once you get into more, like this is a more lightweight one, you're gonna do it by fabric and weight, and then also like seasonality and category. Here's another cute little sweater. You wear this
Forgot I had that.
Forgot you had
it. Isn't that ridiculous? That's why like a closet edit is so good for me because I forget things that I have.
Exactly.
I haven't worn in a while.
And then once you put them in categories, it'll be a lot easier. So you'll know, okay, all my little jackets that I grabbed when I'm going out are in this section, all my cycling and athletic wear are in the other section. And then you put leathers together too. So this one is a cute little purple leather jacket. When's the last time we wore this one?
I wear that sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's been in the mix.
It's been in the mix.
Okay, that's good. And here is another one.
Wore that yesterday.
Okay, this one looks like it needs a little bit of cleaning.
Yeah.
So we'll put that in the dry cleaning section.
Okay.
We'll just put these here for now. We've got another athletic jacket. And what's helpful when you put these things in categories is you know how many you have. So you might realize, oh my gosh, I have 10 of the same jacket. I don't need all 10 of those. And it helps you to weed them out. Here we have another leather jacket. I think I skipped that one off the back. So you like
I just got that.
This is super cute.
I love
the purpley eggplant color tones.
I love purple, as you can see here.
Yes.
Purple is my color.
It works really well with your skin tone and your hair. So I love that. Ooh, this is gorgeous.
I like leather jackets. I'm actually a coat collector and a jacket collector.
That's great.
I don't need any more jackets and coats.
Okay, good.
But I love them.
So we won't put them on your list for needs. So at the end of our editing today, I'll put together a list of things, gaps in your wardrobe that I realize you need. And then things that can fill in for items that you might not know how to style. I'll give you recommendations for that. Here's another piece of athletic wear. We'll put it over in the front where the rest of them are. This is a suit. Now, suiting.
Yeah, so that suit I wore to my rehearsal dinner when I got married. So it's like 20 years old, 21 years old.
So it's probably been on the hanger a while.
It's a little tight.
Okay.
And I just cannot get rid of it because I
know.
really like it, but you can tell
Yes.
it has not been worn.
Has not
by
been worn.
virtue of the dust.
Yes, and it's kind of losing its shape a little bit and getting dusty. So things like this that you want to keep for sentimental purposes or reasons is totally fine. I just wouldn't give them a prominent place in your wardrobe because then it just takes up space in prime real estate. So we'll put it, and always try to like move the pants around so it doesn't get like that. But yeah, there is quite a bit of dust on here, so we might want to clean it if you're going to wear it. But if it's just for sentimental reasons to keep it, I'd put it in the back of your closet or another closet.
Okay.
So we'll put that down here for now until we find a spot for it. How about this little blazer?
That I could probably get rid of. I haven't worn that in years. That's
and you can
evidenced by
tell.
the dust.
So that's a good example.
Yeah.
So if you do want to wear it, definitely get these older ones cleaned. You know, there are pieces that you're going to want to keep that never go out of style, that fit you really well, well constructed, good materials. But this one is fine that we can let go. So we're going to put this in the donate pile.
Yeah.
Okay. Moving along, we've got another athletic jacket. This is super cute. Great. We're going to put this over here. And it's on the lighter weight side. So we'll put it towards the lighter weight. Okay, then we're moving on to this fabulous fur
Love that.
vest. Love it too. So this is a keeper. Because it's fur and a vest, we'll put it at the back. And we always take out, anytime you're in your closet and you notice hangers out, pull them out and put them in a dedicated spot for empty hangers. So you always know where they're at and they don't take up space. This one is super cute. I feel like it's getting a little dusty, so you may want to run a roller over it. Because have you worn this in a while? I love it. But
last year.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I love it. I sometimes have trouble like finding the right shirt to put underneath it because I feel like the colors.
Yes.
I don't have shirts exactly match the colors. So so maybe if you can style that one too.
Yeah, we can style this one. And just a tip is you don't have to be matchy all the time. Like even though it is like a blushy soft pink, you could definitely wear like just a vintage t-shirt underneath it. It doesn't have to be super matchy, and like some ripped up jeans would really make it like a little fresher. You could also wear it with some really cool leggings and a sweater. So I'll take that one down, and we can definitely style that one too. I'll put this over here. Okay, and then here's a cute little bomber. Oh my goodness, how adorable!
Thank you.
So fun.
I love clothes.
I do too, right? Who doesn't?
I know.
And then this one we already put back there. So this is more of a summery look. I'm going to actually move this up towards the running section. And then so you'll have it organized. So these are like sweater jackets, a little like heavier weight moto jacket, leather jackets, and fur. Sound good? Okay. Moving along. Let's get into your dresses section. So I love that you love dresses.
Yes.
You know, thank you.
So bad for like,
it's
my closet.
I get it. So this is why I say, you know, because these will end up being in here forever and you'll never get rid of them. So every time you're kind of noticing them when you're getting dressed, just pull them right out so they're not taking up space. So we'll do that really quick. And then what I recommend too with your dress section is that we categorize it. Okay. And it should be by sleeve length and then by material and then by color. So we're just going to go piece by piece, and I'm going to start to organize, but I'll kind of update it at the end. Okay, let me just move this a little bit.
Disorganized.
It's okay. Totally get it. Okay. So this is cute. Have you worn this lately?
Not since last year.
Okay.
Yeah.
So another idea and a tip is if you're looking to see how often you wear something or you want to get rid of some things, put the hanger the opposite way, put it back in your closet, and then over time you'll notice what you tend to wear a lot more of, and then maybe after a year or two you realize, okay, I haven't worn that in 1 or 2 years, time to get rid of it, time to donate it, it needs a new home. Okay, so I'm going to kind of pull out some sleeveless ones because we'll start with sleeveless down here, and then we'll work our way to longer sleeves and sweaters over this way. So we'll start. Oh, this is cool. Look at that.
Ted Baker.
Ted Baker.
I love Ted Baker.
Ted Baker is such a good...
I could just wear Ted Baker every day.
I know, seriously. So I would maybe recommend with this, perhaps getting a different hanger that has space to put these up, because it doesn't look like it is now, but you just don't want it to get wrinkled permanently from that kind of like, I know it's so hard when they are like the crisscross. There we go. That's probably better. Yeah. And then also when you're getting dressed, you walk in your closet this way, you want all of your stuff facing you when you get dressed. So we're going to switch that around. Yeah, it just makes it much more visually appealing and easier to get dressed. So we'll put that on the end. Let's see, here's another sleeveless. This one's super cute too. Have you worn this?
I haven't worn it in a while. Okay. It looks like it needs some dry cleaning.
There you go. Good call.
Let's just do some dry cleaning.
Yeah, that's perfect. So we'll always and always pull things out that might need dry cleaning or alterations, because you'll never wear it. It'll just sit there forever if you don't make that update. So one more recommendation is anytime anything comes home from the cleaners, immediately take the plastic off. Plastic ruins certain materials, so you don't want to leave any plastic on your clothes for a very long time at all. This one looked like you already pulled out the dress anyway.
Right. The dress is actually upstairs, so I'm glad that we're going through my closet because I wouldn't have known where the belt was.
Right. Okay, so we'll put that aside. All right, how about this one? That is gorgeous.
Yeah, so like what shoes would you put with that?
Oh, okay. So your shoes are over here. So it depends on the event or the reason you're going to wear something. You can easily dress up dresses up or down by your selection of footwear. So for this, if you were going out on a date night, I'd say something really fun, like in the summertime, a nice little strappy sandal, even your little gorgeous little...
Those are rose gold.
They are rose gold. Okay, yes. There we go. So is this one gold back here?
Yeah, that one's kind of a chromey gold.
Yeah, okay.
Well, that's good because I bought those shoes to go with that dress. So
yeah, okay.
I'm glad that you approved.
That's so
sometimes
funny.
I'm like,
yeah, absolutely. And then
those
this
orange
red
ones didn't really match.
Yeah, they're kind of a reddish orange. Okay, cool. And then you bought those for that. So another, I know, I'm trying to think of like what other options you could put in. So this would be a good one for like a nude heel too, because it does have a little bit of the bone color in there. So like a simple, if you're going to wear it to work, maybe just a simple nude, like this would work. Yeah. For like work, you could just wear something like that. And then you could also put a jacket over it if you wanted. Yeah, exactly.
What kind of jacket?
Probably like a blazer. You could do something if you're looking for a more professional look. Maybe like a cream color again, like a bone would be pretty to kind of dress it up a little, or a little more professional. I'll look through it. And you can also do a sweater, like a little cardigan sweater. But yeah, I love this dress. This is beautiful.
Thank you. Me too. Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, I think shoe options you can definitely pull in some of this nude color or like the cream, and then gold is always great to dress up with. That's a fun thing like that. You could go with an orange, but I think the dress says it enough itself. Okay. Yeah. All right, so we'll put that in there.
But yeah, no, I
you could even do like a monochromatic, like tone on tone, which would be really cute, like purple on purple with the leather. Exactly.
That's kind of funky. Really cute.
And that's an updated way. Yeah, because that's very on trend right now. It's like a monochromatic look or tone on tone. That would be super cute with these pumps. So this and that.
Look at that.
Yeah,
oh
so
my
there's
gosh.
an outfit right there. So maybe we'll put that together.
Love that.
And then when
oh my gosh. All right.
And then when we do the lookbook,
your weight in gold.
Oh, good. And then when we do the lookbook, I will show you how to pair it with jewelry, and we'll do a flat lay. Okay. And what's great about the lookbook is that when you're ready to use the lookbook, you just have the images all ready to go. So you know exactly what everything looks like. It's already in your phone, and you can just refer back to it. It's perfect for fall.
I'm so excited.
So I would put on your list, which I will do in a minute, is just a standard nude pump. Not patent leather, not strappy, no toes, just pink. Like, yeah, not pink, exactly. And then just a standard nude pump, because everybody needs that in their wardrobe. And you have it in the suede and the kind of the taupe, so you could even do like a camel color would be really cute for fall. So there's a lot of options.
Well, I'm just excited to wear this tomorrow with
Yay!
my animal print shoes.
Yay! I'm excited.
I feel like I have so much clothing, and I just need to I can make so many new outfits. That's where I'm lacking. So I just need help putting things together.
Yes, and that's what the lookbook is perfect for. And you can wake up, you don't have to think about what you're going to wear. It's already ready to go. Okay, another hanger, and then another little sheath. This is so cute. Have you worn this lately?
I haven't really worn it. I didn't wear it last year. I don't know why. Yeah? I think I thought it was boring. What do you think? Like, how could you spice it up?
So a great way to spice something like this up is to wear a really funky shoe. So you could definitely do that, and then because it's
blue?
got it's got the brown in there.
Gray.
Yeah, a little gray. And then another one.
I love those shoes, by the way.
I do too. Those are really, really fun. Another way to make it a little funkier is to wear like something like unexpected, like a little snakeskin.
Oh, that's
super cute. Yeah.
Okay.
And then you could put like to really make it jazz it up and put the little leather jacket over that. Exactly.
I like it.
See? So cute.
How cute that is.
I'll leave those shoes there because we keep pulling them out.
That's good because I haven't worn them and I love them, and everything I put them on with, I'm like, nah, it doesn't work.
Yep. This is really cute. This is a good little...
Yeah, I love this. It's also really tight, and so I bought this and I've never worn it.
Oh my gosh.
I know. So if you have something cute to style it with...
Okay, and the other thing is
even for work.
So if there's times where you're like, I don't know why I haven't been wearing this, I always recommend putting it on and let's take a look at it. So if you're on the fence about something, put it on. Because there's typically a reason you haven't been gravitating towards it or pulled it out.
Right.
So if you're open to that in a little bit, we can... see. This one's cute.
Thank you. I love that one.
I get like, there's like a theme in here.
Yeah, I know. You're really getting a sense of my style.
Yes, which is very, very helpful. So I always like to start with the closet edit. Helps me get to know your personal style. And then when you do need a lookbook or some help styling for an event, I know exactly what's in your closet. Ooh, this is pretty.
Thank you.
Love that. So now I'm noticing like this color, you don't wear a lot of this color.
Mm-hmm.
Is there a reason why, or you like it and you just don't know how to wear it?
Well, it's just not a color that I pick very often, but if you know how to style this, let me know.
Okay.
Because yeah, I gravitate towards purples and brighter colors and blues and pinks and things, but like if there's something you want to do with that to
this would be great with like a really fun leopard belt. So you could get like a leopard belt, or you could pair it with your leopard shoes and then just put like a little moto jacket over it, and that would be super cute and transition from summer to fall. It is on the longer side, so we're going to decide how we're going to do this once we're done, but typically I go like short to long too. But it is short sleeve, so we're going to put it over here for now. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so I could wear this to work tomorrow with my leopard shoes.
Yes, love that for fall. And then also you could, I don't know about your booties, but you can put some boots on underneath this. Like some taller boots would be really cute too.
Oh, yeah. I don't have any like brown taller boots.
There you go. Something for our list.
Yes. Okay.
So I'll be making
We're going to write that down. We don't have brown tall boots. Good reason to go shopping.
Exactly. And then this is cute too. You still wear this? Mm-hmm. Cool. Yep. And does it have a belt?
It does, but the belt is super tight.
Okay.
And so I can't breathe in it. So sometimes I don't wear the belt.
So you might need another belt. So this is something we can put on the list. Like a basic black belt would be perfect with this.
Yeah, actually that's true. I probably have a basic black belt.
Exactly.
I just never wear it.
So you can change it out. Even though it came with one belt, you can absolutely change it out with another belt. Hope it was fun.